Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best table centerpieces is probably one of the most overlooked yet impactful elements in transforming any dining experience, effortlessly elevating your table from ordinary to extraordinary, setting the perfect mood for intimate dinners, festive gatherings, or even just a casual brunch, making every meal feel like a special occasion and leaving a lasting impression on your guests with their unique charm and aesthetic appeal. Number 5. Homedics EnviraScape Silver Springs Tabletop Fountain. Introducing the Homedics EnviraScape Silver Springs Relaxation Fountain. This beautiful tabletop fountain brings a calming, zen feel to any room. It's perfectly sized to be a decorative accent on any surface. This Asian-inspired fountain features 3 tiered leaves where water gently streams down. It includes natural river rocks and a large, deep basin. The unique lighting feature creates a soft reflection, enhancing the natural flow. The tiers create several streams of water, producing a gentle, soothing sound. This replicates the sights and sounds of a tranquil spring right in your home. Its open-styled basin allows the serene sounds of cascading waters to fill your space. Designed with a quiet, built-in submersible pump, it's incredibly easy to use. Simply fill the basin to the water line, and the pump circulates clean water, preventing algae buildup. It also features a simple on-off switch for your convenience. Use this fountain to de-stress and unwind after a long day. Its peaceful running stream sounds can help you drift off to sleep or enhance your meditation and yoga practices. It even makes a gentle night light for a baby's nursery. What we like. This tabletop fountain offers a tranquil escape with its gentle water sounds and soft illumination. If you are looking to create a peaceful, zen-like atmosphere in your home or office, this is an excellent choice. Its quiet pump ensures an undisturbed environment, perfect for unwinding after a long day or aiding in meditation. What people say. Number 4. Creative Sense Dublin Brown Tray and Ball Set. Elevate your space effortlessly with this rustic elegant bowl and orb set. It adds a sophisticated farmhouse touch to any room, instantly pulling your decor together. Impress your loved ones with a gift that's ready to go. Its high-quality packaging makes it a perfect, memorable choice for housewarmings or holidays. Display it with confidence on any surface. Integrated bottom protectors prevent scratches on your furniture, while its smart tray design keeps the orb securely in place. Get a premium look that lasts for years. Crafted from high-quality resin, this set offers the elegance of stone or metal without the weight or risk of rust. This set provides everything you need for a curated look. It includes 3 decorative orbs and a matching tray, offering a stylish and affordable solution for any tabletop. What we like. This elegant tray and ball set provides an instant style upgrade to any room with its rustic chic design. If you're looking for a complete, curated look without the hassle, this versatile set is perfect. Its durable, rust-free resin construction and integrated bottom protectors ensure it will enhance your space beautifully for years to come. What people say. Number 3. Prestee 600-piece gold disposable dinnerware set. This comprehensive 600-piece set is designed for 100 guests. It includes dinner plates, salad plates, cups, and a full complement of forks, knives, and spoons, all with elegant gold trim. Elevate any event with its stunning design. The beautiful gold trim on the plates and cutlery makes it perfect for weddings, parties, and other special gatherings. Crafted from heavy-duty plastic, it reliably handles both hot and cold foods. You can trust it won't bend or leak, offering both style and essential function. While designed for convenience, this set is also reusable if you wish. Made from food-safe, washable plastic, it offers flexibility for either one-time or multiple uses. It's ideal for receptions, showers, family gatherings, and holiday parties. Enjoy simple cleanup after your event while maintaining a stylish presentation. What we like. For your next big event, this 600-piece dinnerware set offers an elegant and convenient solution. With its luxurious gold trim and heavy-duty plastic, it provides the sophistication of real dinnerware without the cleanup. If you are hosting a wedding, reception, or large party and want both style and ease, this set is perfectly suited for you. What people say. Number 2. 30 PCS Real Touch PU Tulips Artificial Flowers White. Experience the beauty of nature without the upkeep. These stunning artificial tulips are crafted from high-quality PU, giving them an incredibly lifelike look and feel. You'll be amazed by their authentic appearance. Unlike typical plastic flowers, their buds and leaves are made from premium polyurethane. The stems contain steel wire, allowing you to easily bend and shape them to fit any vase or arrangement. Each set includes 30 beautiful white tulips, measuring 14 inches long. Their generous quantity is perfect for decorating your bedroom, living room, or any space needing a touch of elegance. Enjoy vibrant color and perfect form without worrying about fading or wilting. They are ideal for any occasion, from spring displays to wedding bouquets and home decor. For those with allergies, they offer a wonderful alternative to fresh blooms. Use them to create stunning centerpieces, wreaths, or simply brighten up your office, party, or garden. Notice their charming, slightly open appearance, adding to their realistic appeal. They bring life and a fresh spring feel to any room, making them a delightful addition to your decor. What we like. These artificial tulips are incredibly lifelike, made from a special PU material that gives them a real touch and vibrant appearance. If you love the beauty of fresh flowers but suffer from allergies or want a long-lasting, maintenance-free option, these are ideal. Their bendable stems also allow for easy arrangement in any vase, bringing life to your space. What people say. No positive product features could be extracted from the empty source. The schema requires at least 2 items, but no valid content was available. Number 1. Seraphic Wrought Iron Tealight Centerpiece. This stunning centerpiece brings a warm, inviting glow to any setting. With 6 tea lights, it creates a beautiful focal point for dinners, weddings, or everyday use, offering modern shine without the mess of traditional flames. Designed with a 6.75-inch center opening, it perfectly encircles your patio umbrella pole, transforming your outdoor dining. It also shines as a standalone piece, bringing its charm indoors. Measuring 10.5 inches in diameter and 6 inches high, this piece features a sturdy black iron frame. It securely holds 6 removable silver cups, perfect for tea lights or votives, providing even and flexible illumination. Standing just 6 inches tall, it illuminates your space without obstructing views or conversation. Its low profile makes it ideal for various surfaces, from dining tables to coffee tables and kitchen islands. This versatile candelabra complements modern, rustic, and farmhouse decor styles, suitable for both daily use and special events. It makes a unique and thoughtful gift for any occasion, from housewarmings to holidays. What we like. This wrought iron centerpiece offers a unique way to illuminate your table, whether indoors or out. Its clever design allows it to fit around a patio umbrella pole, making it perfect for outdoor dining, and its low profile ensures conversations remain unobstructed. If you are looking for a versatile piece that creates a warm, inviting glow for any occasion, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.